In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for students. Organize your notes like a pro, 5 minutes. Google Keep is a simple, powerful tool to capture ideas, organize class notes, and stay on top of assignments. Let's start by opening keep.google.com in your browser or the Keep app on your phone. Your notes sync across devices, so anything you do here shows up everywhere. Begin with the Take a Note box. Give your note a clear title, something like Lecture 3, Photosynthesis, and then type your thoughts. If you're in a rush, tap the microphone on mobile to speak your idea. Keep will save the audio and text so you can quickly capture a thought between classes. For tasks and homework, switch the note to a checklist. It's perfect for breaking a big assignment into steps: research, outline, draft, and so on. You can reorder items as priorities change, and checking them off is a satisfying way to track progress. As your notes grow, labels are your best friend. You can create up to 50 labels to categorize by subject, project, or exam. Think chemistry, group project A, or to review. Later, click a label to instantly filter and see only what matters for that class. Color coding adds a helpful visual layer. Assign one color per subject or urgency level. A quick glance at your board will tell you what needs attention first. Pin the notes you can't afford to lose, like your weekly plan or exam dates, so they stay at the top. This keeps your most important items front and center, even as you add new notes. When you finish a task or a term's notes, archive them. Archiving removes clutter from your main screen without deleting anything. You can search or unarchive anytime. Reminders help you act on notes at the right moment. Set a time-based reminder for a due date, or a location-based reminder to nudge you when you arrive at the library or a lab. Recurring reminders are great for weekly readings or practice sets. If you prefer speaking to typing, record a voice memo. Keep will automatically transcribe it, making it easy to scan later. Give the transcript a quick review to fix any misheard words. You can also grab text from images, snap a photo of a whiteboard or handout, then extract the text into your notes so you can copy, edit, and search it. Finally, collaborate by sharing notes with classmates. Everyone can add items, check off tasks, and keep the group aligned. Use a shared checklist for responsibilities and pin it so it's always on top. That's it, your streamlined student setup in Google Keep. Build a consistent system and you'll stay organized, focused, and ready for every class.